Hello my friend, I came to teach you now the type or the three type of Forex chart, the chart we using for the market. In order to study the Forex price of a currency per move, you need some sort of way to look at its historical and current price behavior. A chart, or more specifically a price chart, happens to be the first tool that every trader using technical analysis need to learn. A chart is a simple visual representation of a currency pair price over a set period of time. That visualizes the trading activity that takes place during a single trading period, whatever it's 10 minutes, 4 hours, 1 day, or 1 week, or even 1 month, or even 5 minutes, 1 hour, depending the time frame you choose. Any financial asset with a price data over a period of time can be used to form a chart from analysis. So let's dive into the second part. Price charts are a series of mostly random events, so our job as a trader is to manage risk and assess probability, and that's where charting can help. Charts are user-friendly since it's pretty to understand how price moves are presented over time since it's so visual. With a chart, it's easy to identify and analyze a currency pair movement pattern and trend. On the chart, the E-axis vertical axis represent the price call, and the X-axis horizontal axis represent the times call. Prices are plotted from left to the right across the X-axis. The most recent price is plotted farthest the right. Back in the day, charts were drawn by hand. Fortunately for us, Bill Gates and Steve Jobs were born and made computer accessible to the masses. So charts are now magical drawn by software. Let's dive in to second part. What does price chart represent? A price chart depicts change in its supply and demand. Chart aggregate every buyer and sell transaction of that financial instrument. In our case, currency pairs. Any given moment. A chart incorporates all known news as well as traders, current exception of future news. When the future arrives and the reality is different from this exception, price shift again. The future news is now no news. And now with this new information, traders adjust their expectation on future news, and the cycle repeat. Chart blended all activity from the million of market particular, whether they are human or algo, because now the majority of hedge funds and investment banks using algorithmic trading. Whether the transaction occurred by the action of an export, a currency intervention from a central bank trader might be an all from hedge funds or this trader from retail trader. A chart blended all this information together in a visual format technical trader can study and analyze. Dive into other part. Now we came here to more fun type of price chart. Let's take a look of the three most popular type of price chart. First one, line chart. Second one is the bar chart. The third one is the candlestick chart. Now we will explain each of the Forex charts and let you know what you should know about each of them. Dive into the other part. First one, we start by line chart. Line chart is a simple line chart drawing a line from one closing price to the next closing price. When struggling together with a line, we can see the general price move of a currency pair over a period of time. It's simple to follow, but the line chart might not provide a trader with much data about price behavior within the period. All you know is that price closed at X at the end of the period. You have no clue what else happened, but it does help the trader to see trend more easily and visually compare the closing price from one period to the next. This type of chart is usually used to get a big picture view of price movement. The line chart also shows trend the best, which is simply the slope of the line. Some traders consider the closing level to be more important than the open, high or low. By paying attention to the only closing price, the function within the trader session are ignored, and they can help you. Let me add that they can help you to draw horizontal line, support, resistance, to draw trend lines very easy. So let's dive into the other part. Here is an example of line chart for British Pound USD in time frame 4 hours, and I will show you what I told you. Here you can draw, as I told you, you saw it like that, a trend line. Here you doing you doing support, and here you done another one. I think everything is very clear like that. I take that mess. Now if you want to do in a trend line like that, there it is. Over here is getting broke. If depend on your trading style. So far the video don't be too long, let me explain more. So now let's dive into the other part.